Have you ever looked around your room and felt shocked by how many things you have that you never really use? Clothes with tags still on them, gadgets you forgot about, decorations that don't bring joy, or food that ends up in the trash. You worked hard for that money. You spent your time, energy, and dreams earning it. So why does it feel like it slips through your fingers so easily? You plan to save, you make a budget, you promise yourself this month will be different, but somehow you end up spending on useless things again. It happens quietly, without warning. One small item here, one small treat there. You tell yourself it's just one time, but those little things pile up. Slowly, they become habits. And one day you realize you're broke. Not because you didn't earn enough, but because you spent too much on things that don't matter. The truth is, we don't just buy things with money. We buy them with the hours we worked, the sleep we lost, the stress we carried, the time we could have spent with our family, or the peace we could have felt. And many times, we spend not because we need something, but because we're bored, tired, sad, or trying to fill a space inside us. So ask yourself, what are you really buying, and what is it costing you? This is not just about saving money. This is about saving your life from being wasted on things that don't add value to your journey. I want to share a story, a simple one. There was a boy who always felt like he needed more. He bought every new phone, every trending shoe, every item his friends had, but still, he felt empty. One day his uncle gave him a simple challenge. Write down everything you buy for the next 30 days and ask yourself, did this make me happy for more than one day? And what he saw shocked him. Almost everything he bought was forgotten in a week. That moment changed him. He began asking before every purchase, do I need this or do I just want it right now? He gave himself a rule: if something costs more than a little, he waits 48 hours. If he still wants it, then he considers buying. Most of the time, the feeling fades. He stopped going to malls just to walk around. He unsubscribed from emails that pushed him to buy. He unfollowed people who made him feel like he wasn't enough without buying more. He focused on things that made him rich inside, like learning, relationships, peace, and goals. He said no to more stuff, and yes to more life. His room became clean, his bank balance grew, and his mind felt free. He realized that real happiness doesn't come from what you buy, but from what you become. And you can do the same. You can stop spending on useless things starting today. Begin with awareness. Start tracking your spending. Write down every rupee, even the small ones, especially the small ones, because they are the ones that fool us the most. Ask yourself before buying, will I use this in 1 week? Will I remember this in 1 month? Will this help me grow? If the answer is no, skip it. Pause. Breathe. Think. Delaying is powerful. When you delay, you give your brain a chance to catch up with your emotions. Keep reminding yourself of your goals. Stick your goals on your wall. Keep a photo of your dream home, or your debt-free life, or your peaceful morning. Let that image stop you from spending on what won't matter tomorrow. Use cash, if possible. When you see money leave your hand, it hurts more and makes you careful. Unsubscribe from things that tempt you. Stay away from the trap. Build a habit of gratitude. When you feel thankful for what you have, you don't crave more. Gratitude is a wall that protects your money from escaping. If you want to treat yourself, plan for it. Save up and enjoy guilt-free. That way you're in control, not your emotions. Tell yourself this: just because it's on sale doesn't mean I need it. Just because someone else has it doesn't mean I should too. Just because I want it now doesn't mean I'll still want it tomorrow. You are stronger than your impulses. You are more than your cravings. Every time you stop yourself from wasting money, you grow stronger inside. That strength builds a life of freedom, a life where you don't live paycheck to paycheck, a life where you sleep peacefully at night, a life where you no longer chase things, but live with purpose. You deserve that life. You can build that life. But first, stop buying things that steal your future. This may sound simple, but it changes everything. The best part, it's all in your control. No one else needs to change, just you. You can decide today to spend wisely, to say no, to walk away, and every no to something useless is a yes to something meaningful. Think of the time you'll save by not shopping without reason. Think of the space you'll free up in your home and in your heart. Think of the money you'll have for the things that really matter, your dreams, your family, your peace. Life becomes lighter when you carry less, and a light life is a happy life. You may fail sometimes, and that's okay. The goal is progress, not perfection. Just keep coming back to your why. Keep reminding yourself of the life you want. Let every useless thing you don't buy be a step closer to the life you dream of. Talk to your younger self and promise to protect your future. You are not here to collect junk. You are here to create joy, and that starts with stopping waste. One strong life lesson you must remember is this: buying less helps you live. And the moral is, the things you stop buying today become the freedom you enjoy tomorrow. So if this message touched your heart, do one thing now: like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel, How to Grow, because this journey of growing, learning and living better has only just begun. We are not here to be perfect. We are here to be real, and real growth starts with small, powerful choices. We're with you every step of the way. Let's grow, let's save, let's live wisely, only on How to Grow.